Here we go. These are top 10 of the most visited places in Kenya that you can consider in your future travel. One. Masai Mara National Reserve. Known for the Great Migration, the Masai Mara is one of the most famous wildlife reserves in the world. Every year, millions of wildebeest, zebras and gazelles migrate across the Serengeti Mara ecosystem, attracting visitors who come to witness this natural spectacle. The reserve is also home to the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhino. 2. Amboseli National Park. Famous for its stunning views of Mount Kilimanjaro, Amboseli National Park is a prime destination for wildlife enthusiasts. The park is known for its large herds of elephants, which can be seen against the backdrop of Africa's highest peak. The park also hosts other wildlife like lions, cheetahs, and a variety of bird species. 'Lake Nakuru is renowned for its vast flocks of flamingos that turn the lake's shores pink. Besides flamingos, the park is also home to rhinos, giraffes, lions, and leopards. The lake is surrounded by woodlands and grasslands, making it a perfect spot for bird watching and game drives. 4. Tsavo National Parks. East and West. Tsavo is the largest national park in Kenya, divided into east and west sections. Tsavo East is famous for its red elephants, while Tsavo West offers dramatic landscapes, including the Mzima Springs, where visitors can observe hippos and crocodiles. The parks are also home to lions, leopards, and a variety of bird species. 'Lamu Island. Lamu is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved Swahili culture. The island is car-free, with donkeys and boats being the main modes of transport. Visitors can explore the narrow streets of Lamu Old Town, visit historical sites like the Lamu Fort and Museum, and relax on the pristine beaches. 5. Mount Kenya. As the second highest mountain in Africa, Mount Kenya is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for trekkers and climbers. The mountain has 3 main peaks, with Batian and Nelion being technical climbs, and Lenana accessible to trekkers. The surrounding Mount Kenya National Park offers rich biodiversity, including unique flora and fauna. Located on Kenya's southern coast, Diani Beach is a tropical paradise with white sands, clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees. It's a popular destination for water sports like snorkeling, scuba diving, and kitesurfing. The beach is also close to the Shimba Hills National Reserve, where visitors can explore the forested landscape and see rare wildlife. Nairobi National Park. Just outside the capital city, Nairobi National Park offers a unique experience of wildlife viewing with the city skyline in the background. The park is home to lions, giraffes, zebras, and rhinos, and it's one of the few places where visitors can see rhinos up close in their natural habitat. The park also has a successful rhino breeding program. Hell's Gate National Park. Located near Lake Naivasha, Hell's Gate National Park is known for its dramatic landscapes, including towering cliffs, gorges, and geothermal activity. Visitors can hike, rock climb, and cycle through the park, and it's one of the few national parks in Kenya where walking safaris are allowed. The park inspired the landscapes in Disney's The Lion King. Samburu National Reserve. Samburu is a lesser-known but equally stunning wildlife reserve, located in the northern part of Kenya. The reserve is home to unique species like the Grevy's zebra, Somali ostrich, reticulated giraffe, and the Besa oryx, collectively known as the Samburu Special 5. The Ewaso Ingiro River, which runs through the reserve, attracts a variety of wildlife and is a lifeline for the region. These places offer a mix of wildlife experiences, cultural insights, and natural beauty, making Kenya a diverse and captivating destination for travelers. Any place forgotten? Write down in the comment. If you like our visiting list, you can subscribe, like, and share to your friends.